Ever had your Facebook monetization suspended and you don't know what to do? It's frustrating, right? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to be giving you 3 simple ways you can fix this and get back to earning. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. So number one thing you need to do is to review your content. Firstly, head over to the Creator Studio and check if any of your content violates Facebook policy. If they do, just delete it or edit it. This is a very simple way to fix that. The second thing that will solve your problem is to appeal the decision. I have a friend who lost monetization just because of one particular video, but after reviewing and deleting the problem content, they were back in business and started earning. So if you think that Facebook made a mistake, you can appeal the decision through Creator Studio. Just provide a clear explanation or any proof that will support your appeal. Facebook will look through this and decide if your monetization can be restored. So the third step you can take is to follow Facebook policy. Always check Facebook policy and their community standard to make sure that your future content complies. Avoid copyrighted music and all these controversial or sensitive topics. So if you have a monetization issue, let me know in the comment section and how you resolve this. This step may seem small, but it will make a huge difference in restoring your monetization back on track. So this is the end of our video. If you like it, please subscribe, share, comment, and tell your neighbors. Bye.